In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live chat with Nordvpn support. Whether you need assistance with a technical issue or have questions about your account, connecting with Nordvpn's support team is a straightforward process. To ensure you have a smooth experience, I'll guide you through each step, explaining what to do and why it's important, so you can easily find the help you need. First, let's begin by visiting the Nordvpn website. You can do this by navigating to nordvpn.com. Here you'll find a plethora of information about the VPN services they offer. But today, we'll focus on reaching the support team through live chat. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen and locate the Login button. Click on this button to proceed. Logging in is an essential step because by accessing your account, you gain tailored assistance from Nordvpn's support team who can look into your specific queries related to your subscription or technical circumstances. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This page, known as the Account Overview, provides all the details of your subscription, including information about your service status and account settings. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this page, as it can be a helpful reference if any issues arise that require detailed information about your account. Now, we're ready to find the support resources. From the Account Overview page, look for a link or button that says Support Center. Clicking on this will direct you to Nordvpn's Support Center, where a wealth of resources awaits. Here, you can search through articles that might resolve your problem without having to chat directly with a support specialist. However, if you do need to speak with someone, look for the Live Chat option prominently displayed on the support page. Selecting this option is your gateway to initiate a conversation with a Nordvpn representative in real time. The live chat option is typically available 24/7, providing you with timely assistance no matter when you need it. Finally, after clicking on Live Chat, you'll see an option labeled Chat with Support. Select it to start chatting live with a support specialist. This is the last step, where you can type in your questions or concerns. The support team is knowledgeable and ready to help with account questions, technical difficulties, or any other inquiries related to Nordvpn services. And there you have it. You're all set to connect with Nordvpn's support team whenever you need. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you run into any issues, remember that help is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing securely with Nordvpn.